right, back at you. We pulling up over here at Fast and Friendly ATL. My boy getting this. We're gonna meet up with old 392 season. He getting some work done to his car, and we're gonna see what they talking about up here. Where you need me to park at, bro?
Trying to get 10?
No, I ain't getting 10. I'm up here with my homie. Now somebody got some cold ass shit up here. Crazy, crazy old, I can't even think of the name of it right now. Wraith. What up?
Is he Autumn waving at you?
What's up, Autumn?
How you feeling? You feeling refreshed?
Felt a lot better.
Huh?
So I felt a lot better. There you go.
What's up, YouTube?
Got it, boy, 392 season.
FBO fam exclusive.
For sure.
FBO me.
But y'all check this out. This shit nasty. This shit crazy. So what you got going on today?
Alright, so first of all, we're doing a full boat on exhaust installed on the Charger.
Okay.
Reason being, I wasn't satisfied with what I had previous done from the mid muffler to putting the mufflers back on, taking them mufflers off and putting more mufflers on.
So what exactly did you do? How did you do it?
In what order?
Yeah, at first you did.
So the car had a great sound from the factory, but I just felt like it was missing just a little right?
Right.
So I was like, let me do the mid muffler. I see everybody's doing mid muffler. I did the mid muffler.
Cheapest way to get some good sound,
right?
Yeah.
Some okay sound, you know what I mean? So I did it. To me, honestly, it felt like I was missing something, like I didn't have, my power was missing at a certain RPM or whatever.
Yeah.
And the exhaust didn't have no character. Sounded like everybody else.
Right.
Me personally, I want to be a little different. I know that's kind of, I got a Charger, so ain't nothing too different about that because everybody got them. But make a long story short, hold on, Autumn. Didn't like the mid muffler, didn't have no character, it was just loud, and I ain't really like that shit. Excuse my language. But anyway, put some Flowmaster Super 10s on it. Sound real good. Now I have an exhaust leak, and I just want to put a complete system on the car, man. Something holds.
Where the leak came from? What happened with that?
Shitty wheel.
Okay.
Shitty wheel. I think personally, but car is lower too, man. It's hard.
They got him over here right now. Got it up in the air. Getting it right. Somebody got a wide body over here.
Yep.
What they doing? Put some wheels on it?
We're probably getting this wheel kind of close.
Yeah. Well, hey, once they get that thing bolted up, we definitely gonna let y'all hear what it sound like. See what the end result is. Hey. But okay. What kind of exhaust did you get?
Mbrp.
Okay.
Mbrp.
What size?
3 inch.
3 inch. Okay.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
3 inch basically from
What
wheel or would be the headers.
Correct. And they come with adapters so you can add the headers later on down the line.
And what is there like for resonation or muffler sign? It come with mufflers or what?
Come on. Oh, that's actually what he got in his hand right there. He laying everything out.
Okay.
So he make sure all the parts are in place. This is warm,
right,
by the way. So this right here, this is actually a street kit, not a pro kit, a race kit. So
okay.
This right here, resonate.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Oh,
so it's a resonate on each side. I thought
right.
when you was telling me last night, I thought it was just one.
Nah, it came with new tips too.
Are they bigger?
They look like.
They just look that way because they ain't on the car.
Like
what them is?
5 inch carbon.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, okay. Now they can't be bigger than 5.
Oh,
they got a stamp on them or something? Oh, nah, these look way better because they ain't beveled.
Right.
That's gonna be loud. I know you're gonna try them out at least just to see.
Oh, these going on.
Yeah, they're going on right now, yeah.
Going on.
I got you.
Then they got the thing too for the, you ain't gotta worry about shaking in the line.
Okay.
Go right up. That's important too.
For sure. Especially where we at. But hey, we'll get back with y'all when this thing hit the ground. Cold, baby. Skate. It's crazy. It's nice as hell. Well, we're gonna lead them to it. While they tighten everything up, we're gonna go put some food in this young lady's belly. Oh boy, got a G8 over here, got a TSP. Cam, Cook's headers, he said. Pretty much a nice bolt-on car. Sound damn good though. Say the same thing. Yo, so we back up here. That's the old exhaust. Who want it? Who want it? So he ain't quite done yet?
I mean, it's on there. He just getting everything.
So he got a little bit more to do. But we're knocking it out. They knocking it out. We ain't knocking out nothing. They knocking it out. But we'll let you hear it in a little bit.
He said he did his dogs on Max TRS.
See if this G8 want to get in the road, catch his L.
Yeah, but why they got them two there?
What you think, man?
Oh no, I'm riding with them all day. All day.
Yeah.
Always. Hold on.
It's kind of crazy to see without the wheels on it. But that is definitely a Mbrp. They must be powder coating the wheels or something. You got to have them M's to get them M's. For real. Boy, sliding out of here. All right, y'all. So 392 season just got this Mbrp exhaust put on. Got these big ass 5-inch tips on here. And he about to give us a start. It ain't gonna be cold because the car is already warm, but we're gonna get a start in a couple of revs. Whenever you ready. Yes, sir. That half-inch made a difference. It's a lot deeper. I can tell right here just listening to it. It ain't even in gear. I can tell it's deeper.
Sound pretty good, though.
Sound good. All right, y'all. So we leaving fast and friendly right now, and I'm gonna try to get some rollers and get some sound clips of the car, other than him just revving it up under that canopy over there. Sounded good. I can definitely tell it sounds deeper. And if it sounds deeper, it should have freed up some horsepower. I mean, that's not really like if it's got a deeper sound, it's got more horsepower. That's not what I'm saying, but going from 2.5 to 3-inch, when you boost it, it makes a big difference. When you got an all motor car, it's probably not gonna make as big of a difference until the car has headers on it and when it's tuned. then he'll really see a difference. But right now, I know. He left out pretty good. Shoving right here and get some petrol, cause it's looking a little crazy. Jay's out here in full effect. Oh, what we got over here? Oh, SRT Durango. Is it a cat? I don't know. Man, this lady got 15 hats on. Sound good. Yes, sir. Sound great. You can see the smoke coming off the exhaust from all of those oils and stuff that they put on there to make sure it doesn't rust before they get to the customer. So that's the smoke that you're seeing right now. All right, y'all, we done made it back. We about to head to the gym, but got this full exhaust system put on the car. And this video coming up, you guys, I'ma drive his car for the first time since he done that. And we got the AFE power.
Yeah.
AFE power intake that's gonna be going on the car too. So that's gonna be the next video. He gonna go ahead and stick the intake on there, and I am going to drive the car after he's put the intake and the exhaust on there, see if I can tell the difference myself with me not driving the car every day. But till next time, that's gonna be it for this one, FBO fam. We out.